You tired of struggling to get traffic to your website? What if you could finally unlock unlimited visitors and build the online business you've always wanted? Introducing the Traffic Training Bundle by Darin Martineau, your all-in-one system to master traffic, marketing, and digital growth. Inside, you get step-by-step video training and expert ebooks that show you exactly how to bring targeted visitors to any website. Starting today, you're getting 16 premium resources, including the Secret Traffic ROLODEX with insider sources, mastering YouTube marketing to go from zero to viral, and even a 50 viral video reels bundle you can use right away. Whether you're a beginner, a creator, or an entrepreneur, traffic is the lifeblood of your business. This bundle gives you everything you need to attract visitors, build an audience, and scale your income. Stop guessing and start growing. If you're ready for more traffic, more sales, and more freedom, click the link below and grab your bundle today.